Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. This is a video about fixing harsh sound. So I've written down a lot of points and I think we're up to 31 points. So these are basically all the basic problems that cause harshness, thinness, sound perhaps becoming a bit on the mechanical side. These are things that are worth looking into, figuring out, okay, maybe one of these things are happening to my system because I'm getting some kind of instability, making a harsh sound that I don't necessarily like. And I think especially stuff like glass surfaces and having a naked room, nothing in the room, no furniture, nothing on the walls, not having a carpet, having the speakers angled too much in towards your listening position, that can also make it very harsh. And yeah, not dealing with all the small things that a lot of people don't feel are important, plugs, cables, especially the power conditioning. You want really good power filtering. That's usually going to eliminate a lot of harshness, and dealing with problems from the roots, which I cover in my previous videos, which are having a bad CD player or a bad signal player on the CD player, or could be like, usually when I listen to other people's streaming sound, it's very, very low level. These normal streamers that you can buy in stores, or the ones that they come up with and make themselves, the do-it-yourself streamers using a normal laptop or a PC, that easily creates a hell of a lot of noise. So you could easily just, if you're one of those guys who don't solve problems at the root, you could easily just, like, I don't know, buy some warm cables, use some FoodTech plugs at the lower grade. That could make it a lot more forgiving, but I wouldn't say that that's a very high level at solving a problem. That's more of a compensational way of solving a problem, but it's one way of doing it. So just have a look at these things, and perhaps there's something there that you might have missed that is creating the problems. Also, one thing that I haven't mentioned on this list, I'm just thinking of right now, is I had these Fenderstein speakers, and they had these stands, and on these stands they had these metal feet. If you have those metal feet on like a really hard stone floor, that could easily make the sound very harsh. So stone floors, yeah, they can easily make sound a lot more hard than it needs to be. So having some special vibrational control, cutting out yoga mats or whatever, putting it underneath blue tack, whatever, can also help quite a bit. So yeah, look into that. So that's all I have to say, and remember to like and subscribe if that's possible. Bye.